Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Let's quickly look at the daily time frame outlook here. We saw price come back to a very strong resistance support zone, and we could see some kind of rejection into this region right now. So two things for this week: price might come back here to retest 132.86 region, or probably 133.60 region, and then we could see price probably come into this region going forward. Otherwise, we might just reject this region and trade a little bit around this region, right? Let's quickly look at the this style for lower time frame perspective. Let's just hit the 1 hour first. On the 1 hour time frame, we see last week we head into this region, right? And currently price just looks like it came here to drop some weeks, right, at 31.86 region, right? Then going forward into the London session, two things on my mind. I'm expecting price to probably come back to this region here, or most probably this region at 33.13. Then before we could continue on the bearish sentiment. If we come into the 15 minutes time frame, we could see the formation, the candlestick formation we're seeing there, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So a break of this and a retest of this region, we could see price come all the way to this point. All right, I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how this price plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. On this style here, on Monday I anticipated that on this style I anticipated a little bit of retracement back to these regions here, and obviously, as we could see on Monday, we saw this huge bullish candle, a bearish candle breaking into 130 region, right? So basically it's obvious that we are back into this region right now at this point. So two things: we're expecting a little bit retracement to this point, and then we'll continue our bearish sentiment, because it's obvious that USD is really strong at this moment. So at this point, I'm expecting a little bit of retracement to this point, but we might not get that retracement, because over here on the 1 hour time frame, yesterday I got into two trades and got stopped out twice. You can see this stupid movement we saw here. So basically, I'll be waiting for a breakout of this region right now to be confident to actually go into buys or sells. Well, my most bet is that price will continue bearish. This was more like a drop, base, drop in anticipation, but at the same time we could also see inverse head and shoulder pattern kind of a little bit here, so we could see price might probably just still go up. So let's just wait. It's part of the trading tactics, right? We'll wait and then we'll see what happens, because this is really choppy. I'll see you guys on Friday. For now, I'm anticipating a breakout of this region to go up or to go down, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Yesterday I had this sell limit orders placed around this region, and when price dropped here and rejected this region, I took it out, and going just 30 minutes before the New York session, price sniped into this region and dropped massively. That was a pain, that was painful, going forward for Pound USD, if we look at the daily time frame, my next key zone here is around 1.2850, and probably around this region we might have some drops and pullbacks, right? So basically at this point, what I'm expecting is a continuation of price downward to probably 200 or 300 pips down. So I'm going into shorts right now with stops just around 1.3106, and we could see a 100 pips target for the rest of the day. So let's see how that plays out. Currently, if we look at the 1 hour time frame for a better view, we could see that we've had a break, a retest, and that we're breaking this region right now to retest this region. So we might just have one more bearish run right now to probably 129.00, and then we could see what happens. Today is Friday. There might be volatility in the market to push price down. Other than that, we'll see what happens next week. Ciao.